Hello everyone. So today we are going to cover a new topic that is called prions. So what is prions? Okay, so these are the proteinous infectious particle that is devoid of any DNA or RNA. So actually it is only the protein particles which are infectious in nature. So exact nature how the prions work is not known, but what is actually they perform, they do an such type of function which may cause disease in animals as well as in human being. So in animal the disease is scrapie in sheep, and bse means bovine spongiform encephalopathy, that is also called as mad cow disease. In human being it form a disease like Kuru and CJD, that is Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. So how these prions work? Normally what happens, they degenerate the nervous tissue, that is basically the brain. They degenerate the brain and may cause some diseases like dementia and insomnia. So how how the activity of prions take place, that the normal cellular protein, there are some normal cellular protein present in brain, that is in nervous tissue. Now, and the abnormal form of prion is known as PRPSC. So abnormal form is known as PRPSC. So here PSC means scrappy associated prion proteins, and the normal is denoted by PRPC. So what is the role of this protein? PRPC protein help in brain development and basically in a synaptic connection between two neurons. So the abnormal form, that is PRPSC. Okay, so this abnormal form once enter into a host body, then it convert a normal protein, that is PRPC, into PSC. SC means scrappy associated plant proteins. So how the mechanism take place? First, suppose this is a diagram where I show you that how the abnormal protein convert normal protein. So basically it is the conformational change, that is a structural change by abnormal protein of the normal protein. So abnormal protein is shown with the red orange dot, and the normal protein that is present in neuron, that is in nerve cell or nervous tissue present in brain. So this abnormal form once connected with this normal protein, and then make some conformational change and change it into abnormal form. Once the abnormal form will produce, it again infect the another normal protein, and this is how whole of the normal protein will convert into abnormal form like this. So the new PRPSC so formed, it convert more and more normal protein, that is PRPC, into PRPSC, that is the abnormal protein, and thus one by one it destroys cell to cell and tissue to tissue, and this is how the tissue of brain get affected, and ultimately the patient at the age of 60 or 65 or beyond 75 will have insomnia, dementia, like that. There is no cure, there is no medicine for this. Exactly the nature how the takes place, conformational chain take place, still unknown to scientists. So this is all about the prions, that is related to the virus class. So this is a protein infectious particle which is exactly devoid of any DNA or RNA. Thank you.